Hey everybody, welcome back to Big Red EDC. Well, it seems like it kind of goes in streaks. We hadn't had a whole lot of, like EDC tools on the channel for a while, and now, in the last couple of weeks, we've had quite a few. And this one is kind of a neat little tool. I'm really digging this one. This is the Pichi, I believe it's Pichi, P-I-C-H-I, Pichi X2S titanium multi-tool. And it's a little bit different than a lot of the multi-tools we've seen lately. It's got some different tools. But now, you can do a package where it comes with this nice sort of little leather boot sheath. It's got fits right in there. It's got a magnet for closure. You've got a nice little pocket clip in there as well. Very, very kind of cool little slip, man. I'm definitely digging that. And it's definitely, oh yeah, Australian cow leather. Definitely leather. But now we got to take a look at the X2S. Now, like I said, it does come in a package. You can get the tool, you can get the sheath, and 4 of these little wickedly sharp suckers for about 125 bucks. The tool alone, it comes just the tool and 2 blades, and you're looking at about 99. It's grade 5 titanium. Very, very cool. So the tools on it. What do we got? Well, we've obviously got a pry bar, right? We've got the pry bar, sort of nail puller going on there for sure. We've got this saw, which actually locks in place. It's a liner lock saw, which seems to be pretty solid. Now, you're not going to be sawing any trees down with it, I'm guessing, but you could definitely cut up some, kindling and that type of thing. Definitely liner lock. Now, when you're coming shut, you can see there, you got to kind of push it in and slide it in that little slot to kind of help the retention of it. Now, you got this little blade. These little suckers are sharp. When I was putting this thing on there, I was like so careful. And they basically just slide on and off. It kind of, I don't know if you can see in there, but I don't want to do it because I don't want to slip on that blade. Probably would help to use like some little pliers or something to pull that out. But it just slides in there. Mounts in there, slides in, you're good to go. And like I said, it either comes with 2 or 4, depending on if you get just the tool or if you get the tool package as well. And then you got this little wrench. It's got a hole for a lanyard too, if you like it. Want to put a lanyard on it, but spring goes in, and I found a nut and bolt. But now, with me using it, I was kind of using it, put my thumb up there for tension. Now this is a nylock bolts or nut, so I'm not going to go down too far on it. But coming off, it holds it in, stays in. I don't know. That's kind of neat. It's definitely something I haven't seen on a whole lot of multi-tools. I mean, sure, your bit larger multi-tools, like your Leathermans and whatever. You got pliers and stuff like that. But that little tool is just kind of cool. Now, you also have a slot for a bit driver. I've got a Weehaw bit here. It's magnetic, fits in there. There is a little bit of, as you can see, there is a little bit of play in there. So, you want to be careful with you using it, but you've got sort of like a T-wrench, so you're going to have a little bit of, leverage using that with that T-wrench. But that's really about the only thing I haven't completely used it. Oh, you know what? Let's just see. We'll play with this. Let's do this. But I probably need a smaller. No, it's a T6, isn't it? Or is it? Maybe I need a T8. Or I need to go smaller. Maybe this is a T8 and I need a T6. Oh, it's a T9. Oh, shoot. All right, we got to go down in size a little bit. Let's see, I think it's this one. Let me see here. We got a, nope, that's the 7. One more. One more. Using my Journey tool cold bit. There we go. So, T6. Yep, there it comes. Pops it out right there. So it's got a pretty cool little bit driver. We'll put that back in a minute. So very cool. I'm digging this little tool. It's definitely different. You know, sure, we get blades, we get pry bars and bit drivers and stuff. That little wrench, that I'm definitely kind of digging that as far as the whole tool pack. And there's your extra blades that comes with it as well. A blade does not come, well, at least when I got it, the blade did not come with it. So I had to put the blade on it. Like I said, putting it on wasn't bad. Taking it off, I think I'm going to have to use some pliers. Just supply, because, oh, I do not want to. These things are sharp. I do not want to cut myself. So, something to think about. Just a little PSA there. But overall, this is a pretty cool little tool. I am definitely digging it. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think of it for sure. Definitely have to say thank you to Pichi for sending it out. The X2S titanium multi-tool from Pichi. Thank you so much. And thank you guys for stopping by and checking it out with me. As always, I have a great rest of your day. Like, subscribe, leave me that comment. You know I love talking to you. Until next time, guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.